So years ago, I went to this little deli that served this Mediterranean tuna pasta salad, and it was so good. I loved how the briny flavors of the Kalamata olives and capers enhanced the flavors of the tuna. I loved it so much that in fact, I went home and recreated my own version the very next day. It's still one of my favorites. Let's make it. In a large mixing bowl, combine fusilli or rotini pasta, tuna fish, diced onion, diced boiled eggs, Kalamata olives, capers, and mayonnaise. Use whatever tuna fish you like, but the yellowfin tuna and olive oil has the best flavor. Add salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes for seasoning. You can serve this immediately, but it's best to chill before serving. When I tell you that this is a good tuna pasta salad, I mean it. It is so good. For the full recipe with ingredient measurements and additional tips, please visit aforkstail.com.